I need an oil catch can so bad. Guys, Koozie F30 here. So it's been about 140 miles since I installed the charge pipe, and it feels fine. I still have a little whine sound, so that makes me think the boost leak is somewhere else. But I mean, I kind of figured it out. So the car wasn't running, and I thought I blew the charge pipe because I heard that whine noise the entire time. And most people, they blow their charge pipe when they put boot mode on, and the bottom of my pipe was like super loose, so I figured it was just blown. So I replaced it, and the car was still running like shit. Nothing happened. Like, it drove the exact same. And I ended up cleaning both of my MAF sensors from the intake and on the charge pipe. And when I was putting the sensor back into the intake one, I noticed that the intake wasn't even attached to the inlet, and that's why my car wasn't running the entire time. So I ended up actually having to cut a little bit of my heat wrap off. Sorry about that. My heat wrap off, because it was on it a little bit, so I couldn't slide it all the way down. So I pushed it in, I felt it pop in, I have that tight as shit now, and the car's been running fine ever since. So I'm going to do emissions testing tomorrow, and then, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I definitely still have a boost leak, so I'm most likely going to buy the boost pipe. But that won't be for like another 2 or 3 weeks, probably even longer. Whenever I get my tax return, most likely, because I got a surprise for once I get my tax return. Only a few people know about what it is anyway. Totally forgot to film, but I got my charge pipe out. Cleaning some sensors over there. Just waiting on the part to come in. It's supposed to be here later today. And honestly, it doesn't even look like I broke it. So I don't know, but I got a lot of fucking oil in there. Hold on, I'm actually gonna use flash. It looks pretty oily to me. It's that red shit. There's a decent ass amount in there. Made its way to the sensor too. You gotta use a T20 for both of these mass airflow sensors. I forgot to film me putting it in. Oh well. Turns out it wasn't even the issue either. My intake came off all the way, all the way down there. It wasn't even attached. So I reattached it. Let's see what happens. Yes.
Yes. It already runs way better. Time to go for a drive.
I went with the VRSF charge pipe. I had a buddy tell me VRSF isn't that good of a company. I don't know. I haven't had any issues with any of their parts, but this is also my first VRSF part. He said he had issues with the downpipe fitting on his 240, but he also had like no mounting brackets or anything like that for it, so the car kind of it didn't freak out, but like it kind of shook a little bit because it wasn't held in place, and I wouldn't like that either. I'd rather have a mount too. I mean, I'll probably stick with VRSF except for the intercooler and the inlet, but or actually no, I'm gonna get an MST inlet and MST intake, and then I'm gonna get the FTP charge pipe, but I most likely will get the VRSF intercooler for this. I don't feel any power difference or any like throttle difference in the charge pipe. It really didn't do anything. I just kind of replaced it because one, I know they're prone to breaking, and two, I thought that was my problem the whole time, and it really wasn't. So I don't know. Now I'm safer than I was before, and also misdiagnosed, but either way still solved the problem. So my car's running good now. Yeah. I was gonna film more of the install, but I kind of got ahead of myself. I wasn't even paying attention and just put the thing together and called it a day. But I definitely need an oil catch can because there is so much blow by. I don't know if there's something wrong with the turbo or if that's just naturally how much oil blow by these cars have, but it was a lot. It was running down through the charge pipe, so I'm definitely gonna invest in a catch can here pretty soon. I don't have anything else to talk about it, so I don't know. It looks nice. I have a few clips on it. I didn't really film install or anything like that. I kind of did. I kind of filmed taking it apart, but not really. But I don't know. That's it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.